Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable the kids mode in Crackle. Now let us begin. Note that in order to do so, you should be logged in to your Crackle account. Now let's simply look at how to enable the kids mode. At the top right on the navbar, you can see a button like this called as My Account. Click on it. Once you do that, this thing will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is go to settings. Click on the settings tab that is just below your email address. And guys, this is it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the basic settings page. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but right now simply scroll down till you see the parental controls. From here, as you guys can see, you can simply enable the kids mode, teen mode and grown up mode. Right now we want to enable the kids mode, so I'm simply gonna toggle on this button right here. It might ask you to set your pin. I'm gonna set it right now. As you guys can see, I have entered it. Now all I'm gonna do is click on save pin. Once again, it's gonna ask for my confirmation. I'm gonna click on yes. And guys, that is it. That's how you enable the kids mode in Crackle. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.